Hello guys, welcome back to my channel here, Sotuga Designs. In this video I want to show you how to blur an image photo or anything in photoroom. The first thing you do is you open photoroom application. Then click on start from photo. Then select any photo from your device. I'll use this like button icon here. Then it will remove the background if it has. Then at this juncture, you select transparent here. Then you scroll down, click on layers, then click on graphics, then scroll down till you see blur. See the blur here, then toggle it on, then another box will open. Then it's the different the blur modes, different blurs. So you have motion, bokeh, hexagonal. So I'll use Gaussian blur. I'll click on it. Then this slider down here, you can use it to increase the intensity. Increase the intensity that you want. So let's leave it here. Then I'll click on done. Then I'll click on done again. And I'll click on export. Then you click save gallery. As you can see, that's it. So this is how to blur an image or a photo in photoroom. Thank you. See you next time.